Welcome to Y Chemistry Automated Balancing Algorithm and Web Application. Subscribe to see more applications of computer science. Today we're introducing Gaussian elimination in equation balancing. Unlike the brute force algorithm we showed last time, Gaussian elimination is capable of solving much more complicated equations like these. Let's have a look at a very complicated example. What we do here is to set an unknown coefficient before each reactant and product, create systems of linear equations according to the elements, and solve the equations using linear algebra with matrix row reduce. The program outputs the results in milliseconds even with this large number of reactants and products, and the coefficients might go up to a few hundreds, but the complexity does not grow that much. Here are more examples of applying Gaussian elimination. This algorithm is easy for computers, but for human scientists, it still takes a lot of time to solve the equations. What better algorithm do you know? Please share it. Thank you for watching and subscribe